This is Kendra Crow, your instructor for Literature 100, and I wanted to make this video today about your Milestone 2, which is your draft of your final paper. So as you're working on your draft this week, be sure you're reviewing the announcements that I provided, as they have some helpful information on how to approach the draft and how to incorporate quotes into your writing. So make sure you're looking at those for those helpful hints. For this video today, I wanted to go through the example paper that you are to review this week. I want to point out a few things that you need to be incorporating into your papers. So what I have pulled up on the screen here is this sample paper for Milestone 2, which is the draft of your paper. So make sure that you review this. It is in the readings for this week, but make sure you're reviewing it. And I just want to point out a couple of things that I want to make sure you're seeing in this draft. So first off, it's the formatting. So this is in MLA style formatting. And what does that mean? So it means that you have a header up here with your name, the name of the instructor, me, the name of the course, and the date. And that's double spaced, left justified. Then you have a title that's centered over the body of your the body of your essay. And then also you have a header up here that'll go from page to page, but it's with your last name and the page number, and that's right justified up in the corner. Couple of other things in the body of your paragraph. Each of your paragraphs should be indented, and the entire paper should be double spaced. So I'm just going to scroll through. You can see how each paragraph is indented, double spaced, and then here's that header up here in the corner again. It's going to be your last name, and then since this is page 2, it's page 2. And it's very organized, and it's all the same formatting. Another thing I want to point out is that the margins, they should all be 1 inch all the way around. So 1 inch margins. And then the last thing I want to point out about formatting of the entire paper is your works cited starts on another sheet. So see how this one ended on page 3. Page 4 starts your works cited, so it's always going to start on its own page. Another quick thing about formatting is the formatting of titles. So for short stories and short poems, which is what you're going to be writing about, the titles should be in quotation marks, just in quotation marks, no italics found at all. The only italics that are going to be there is in your works cited, when you're naming the entire textbook or whatever book you're getting your short story from. The entire textbook then would be in italics, but the rest of them are just going to be in quotes. So make sure that you're formatting it properly there. The next thing I want to point out is the first paragraph here is your milestone 1. So remember, in week 3, you constructed this introductory paragraph. Everything that you had in that should be in this paragraph here. So you start by introducing the text, you state why you chose this text, you explain, the message that the author is conveying, and then you end with your thesis statement. So make sure that all of that is in there. And I want to just quickly go over to the rubric and just point out why that is. So if I scroll down to the actual rubric, you will see there are 4 sections of introduction. And that means you introduce the text, you have the message of the author, the rationale, and the thesis statement. So just like it was in Milestone 1, those same things are here, and that's what I'll be looking for in your paper. So that's the introduction. For the supporting paragraphs, make sure that your supporting paragraphs are following your thesis statement. And what do I mean by that? So in my thesis statement here, I have identified symbols, tone, and setting are the 3 literary elements I'm going to be using to prove my ideas. So what do my supporting paragraphs look like. The first supporting paragraph is going to be about symbols, just like it says up here in the thesis statement. My next supporting paragraph is going to be about tone. And then my third supporting paragraph, which I'll scroll down to here, is going to be about setting. So that is how my supporting paragraphs are following my thesis statement. Remember, it's a roadmap for your paper. So make sure your paper is doing the same thing. Within each of these supporting paragraphs, again, I want to point out the structure of these individual paragraphs. You're going to begin with a topic sentence. The topic sentence is an overview of what this paragraph is about. It doesn't have any detail in it. It's not any textual evidence. It's just going to state what this paragraph is about. So for my first supporting paragraph, it's Poe's story reveals the theme of madness and guilt in this culture through multiple symbols found in the text. Okay, so I'm relating it to my thesis statement argument, and I'm identifying symbols as the element that I'll be looking at in order to prove this idea about theme. Then what I do is I give an example from the text, and then I explain that example. Again, I give another example from the text here with a quote with my in-text citation, and then I explain it. How does that prove my argument? Okay? Then ending with a transition. My transition is going to connect symbols, which is my first element, to my next element, which is tone. And this is the transition. Symbols are not the only way that cultural identities become apparent in the story. Tone also creates the identities of guilt and madness. Okay, so I've connected symbols to tone, and that creates a transition between these two paragraphs. This second paragraph, similar structure, the exact same structure. I'm just using tone. I'm explaining all of my textual evidence. And then I do the exact same thing here with the setting. I'm explaining the setting with textual evidence, and then I follow that up with some explanation. And then again, I transition to my conclusion. The conclusion is going to begin with a thesis restatement. And what I mean by that is not a copy and paste of your thesis statement, but it is a reiteration of those ideas from your thesis statement. So make sure that is, you're beginning with that. Then I'm going to go back over here to the rubric, and I'm just going to scroll down to the conclusion section. And the conclusion section shows you begin with a thesis restatement, and then these are the other ideas that have to be in your conclusion. You have to have context, you have to have cultural significance, and you have to make a connection to identity in your conclusion. So make sure you have those things. As you're constructing your conclusion, use this rubric as a sort of checklist to make sure, have I started with a thesis statement, restatement? Have I included context, cultural significance, and identity? So make sure those are in there. And if you read through this sample, you'll notice that I do have all those things in there. I have ideas about identity. I have cultural ideas. I have contextual ideas, okay? So, and then as always, make sure you have your works cited at the very end. So those were just some of the things I want you to notice about this sample paper that can help you as you're writing your paper. Use this as a guide to guide you through this process of writing your paper and hitting those marks that you'll need to hit in your rubric. I also want to point out that there is a final project checklist, and this is a really great tool as well to go through and make sure you have what you need in each of the sections of the paper. Make sure your introduction has what it needs. Your body paragraphs, is this doing what it's supposed to be doing? Your conclusion, same thing, doing what it's supposed to be doing. And then have I, made my revisions, and edits to make sure that it's appropriate for this assignment. So that is all I have to say. I hope this was helpful in helping you create your uh, rough draft. And if you have any questions, as always, let me know. Thank you.